Hey guys, this is my wireless doorbell review. Easy to install, long range, and I've actually been using it inside my home for homeschooling. So I'm going to show you how it works and what it sounds like.
These are
Let's go.
instructions. You get a receiver that plugs into the wall and a transmitter button you can mount anywhere. No complicated setup, it works right out of the box. Setup is really simple. You just plug in the receiver into any outlet and attach the button using either the adhesive or screws. I actually put it on my teacher's lanyard and it's been holding up really well. One thing I personally love about this, I actually use this for homeschooling. If I'm in the kitchen and things start getting a little off track, I'll press the button as a quick signal to refocus everyone. I also use it when school starts and when school is done. It's just an easy way to get attention without constantly repeating myself. It has 35 different sounds, 5 volume levels, including the mute, and a long wireless range up to 1,000 feet. It also is weatherproof, so you can use it outside if needed. And it remembers your settings even if it gets unplugged, which is really convenient if you have a toddler who unplugs it. The first thing I notice is it's really lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap. The plastic actually feels sturdy and well made. The button itself has a really nice, solid press to it. It's not loose or flimsy. It gives you that kind of clear feedback when you press it, which I like. I also like that both the button and the receiver lights up when it's pressed. It's a small detail, but it lets you know right away that it worked, which is really helpful. Real quick, I just wanted to show you once you screw it onto your wall, you would attach your doorbell just like this. Super simple. And of course, if you don't want to screw it to your wall, you also have that adhesive that comes with it. So you have two choices. I'm going to play a variety of the sound options so you can hear what they actually sound like. This is on silent. All right, so we're going to turn it on and it has 4 volume levels. All right, so right now it's on silent. So we're going to press this button here. This is our volume button and it has 4 levels. So we have 1,
Back door.
2,
Back door.
3,
Back door.
4. Back one silent.
Garage. 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 Garage.
Okay, so let's look through the sounds. those are all the sounds. Now, if you want to, if that's like the one you pick, then you press the button.
Back door. Back door.
There you go. So you can see the owl light up. His eyes slightly light up. Might be due for a battery. Oh. All right, so I turned all the lights off so you can see the owl's eyes light up. I think I need to change the battery. But let's go ahead and press it. There you
Back
go.
door.
You see its eyes light up better with all of the lights off.
Overall, it's super reliable and easy to use.